Hello everyone. There we have 2020 International MV with 26-foot refrigerated bags. The reefer unit is Thermo King T680R Whisper. Dev system is working, truck ready to go. It hasn't any issues, mechanical problems. No rust. Air brake, spring suspension, has an aluminum liftgate. The capacity is 3,000 pounds. Three seats. Here you can see mileage. Okay, 358 actually. Okay. AC is cold. Everything is working here. Okay, let's run it. No check engine lights, no issues. Let's open the hood and see how the engine is running. Cummins 6.7 is like